Ooh. All right. Okay. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a short review on the new TrulyBeauty GLOAT Greatest Lips of All Time Erika Costell collab with Truly. If you guys want to see what my thoughts are on this, what the products are, do they work, then definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. I love Erika Costell. I have no shame in saying that I really love her. She's truly blossomed from last year. I actually discovered her last year when she did the YouTube video with Shane Dawson, and I really fallen in love with her ever since. And Corey and I always watch her content. I love her music. I have all her songs on my phone. I'm always singing them, and I've always loved watching her content. Like, she's like the life that I watch, and like I'm like, oh god, I wish I had her life. Like, she's a Victoria's Secret model, and she travels around, she makes music, she's so gorgeous, she's so friendly. And I saw she's rolling out with a lipstick collection with TrulyBeauty. I was like, I have to get it, and it is the GLOAT collection, and it's the greatest lips of all time. Erika Costell collab with Truly, and what it is just a 4-piece set of lip products that she uses on the daily. And I saw Shane Dawson promoting it, and not like he was trying to promote it because he didn't get it in PR, but because he really wanted to support her. And I think maybe he did get in PR, I'm not totally sure, but either way, he wanted to support her. I know I want to support her. It's just lip products, not like it's anything spectacular, but because I really love her, it didn't matter what it was, I wanted to support her. So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into this review. Like I said, this is a 4-piece set. It does come with a little bag right here. On the back it says vegan big juicy lips Truly. I believe this is just where you put all your lip products in here at. I mean, this looks like something else to me. This looks like something else. Kind of a weird, like, it doesn't open up any further. So, I mean, greatest lips of all time. Oh. Okay, I'm going dirty. But this is the bag that it comes in. It has a really horrible, like, weird chemical plasticky smell to it. I don't like the smell of this bag, but this is where you can put all your products in. It comes with a sexy soft lip scrub right here, along with a luscious lip butter as well. And then it does come with a big juicy lip oil. It has coconut and hyaluronic acid to help plump your lips, along with a lip pumping serum right here. And I have a little story about this, but these are the 4 products that it comes with. Like I said, it does retail for $48. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brand, and they like to use all natural ingredients to keep it safe for you guys. So I want to tell you guys a little backstory on this. I ordered this right before Christmas, and it arrived like I think the day before Christmas Eve, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna review it next week. I don't really have time to review it this week. And I went to work on Wednesday, on Christmas Day, went to work, and I came home to find these 2 bad boys on my floor, completely like chewed up. I don't know if you guys can see the markings on here, might be kind of hard to tell. Completely chewed up because my dog somehow managed to find this, get her mouth on it, and chew these glass bottles. Luckily enough, they are glass, they did not break, and she completely tore off like the bubble wrap off of them too, because they were like in the bubble wrap, and she completely like tore it off and chewed on these. And I was like, oh my god. I was lucky enough that she didn't get a hold of this, but she sure got a hold of this lip plumping serum. This is the wrapping right here, and she completely like destroyed my cap, so I can't like squeeze the tube like you're supposed to. So I just kind of put this right here, and then like it's a dropper, and I can't really like drop it on my lips per se because she destroyed my plumpers. So I'm gonna have to kind of go back and forth between the two because she was a little shit and got into my stuff, and I was like, oh my god, Kai, I have to review these products and you're destroying them. So on the website, it says that we introduce you to GLOAT, greatest lips of all time. We partnered up with the queen of the juiciest, sexiest, 100% all natural lips, Erika Costell, to bring you her 4-step daily lip regimen for plump, moist, healthy, natural, luscious kissers. And I was like, well shit, I gotta get my lips on this if that's what they're describing it, because she does have really pretty lips. So I'm not entirely sure what to use first. I would say maybe the lip scrub first, followed by the rest of the products. Okay, no, it does. Okay, so it says for starters, you want to take the lip scrub right here, and this is a peppermint and hyaluronic acid to it. You want to take the lip scrub and you want to apply, massage a small amount onto clean lips and rinse with a damp washcloth. Can be used 2 or 3 times a week. This is how the product itself looks. Oh my god. Oh my god, this smells like a pure, oh my god, this smells like a pure candy cane. Oh my god, it tastes like peppermint. What? What? That is delicious. Now, Corey's like, please don't become known as the girl that likes to lick and eat her makeup. That's not really a good look for you. Listen, I understand that it's really weird, but if it's gonna go on my lips or on my face, like I wanna make sure that it's safe, particularly lip scrubs, because Jeffree Star always advertises that his velour liquid lip scrubs can be safe to be eaten. He sits there and takes a scoop of his lip scrub, puts it in his mouth, and he chews it away. So I'm assuming a lip product should be able to do the exact same thing because you're putting it on your lips, and you do get like your lipstick in your mouth, you do get your lip gloss in your mouth, at least I do, it happens, I'm not perfect, and I wanna make sure it at least tastes good and it's edible, and this tastes just like freaking peppermint, and it's sweet. So let's go and take my finger, swirl that around right there. Ooh, I'm gonna scrub it on the lips. Ooh, I'm gonna have those foundation lips right now. Wow. That's like very, very oily. Very, very oily. I said wash it off with a damp washcloth. I want to add more for good measure. Oh, this is a good look. Getting the nitty gritties on my lips. See, right there. See, look, it goes in my mouth. It goes in my mouth. Okay, so I don't have a washcloth right now because they are in the wash, but I don't know if you were tell. Damp. It's like a candy cane. Okay, so now that my lips are thoroughly scrudged, this right here, I'm not gonna lie, this is like very like bouncy, and this is not the typical lip scrub that I'm actually used to, because like it just like melts like butter. Like it really does just melt like butter, and I'm used to like the velour liquid lip scrub. Like look at this right here. This is super dry, super like sand, right? And like it's very, very harsh on the lips. This right here is softer. Like you could even see the difference between the two consistencies. Like you could just see the difference. Like Jeffree Star is just like pure sand, it looks like. This is like a soft, like a whip. It has a nice whipping factor to it. I really, really like that. This might actually be something that I use more on the daily compared to Jeffree Star, just because his stuff is a little bit too harsh, and every time I kept using his lip scrub, I actually would end up getting really bad chapped lips. So that's why I've kind of stayed away from lip scrubs, because my lips got really, really chapped. So I like this, and it smells freaking amazing. All right, what is the next step? Apply lip serum, 1 to 2 drops onto clean lips, massage in as you would a lip balm. Let absorb, then follow up with a lip oil. Ooh, okay, so the serum, the little broken guy, we're gonna apply 1 to 2 drops. I'm assuming that's 1 to 2 drops. I just kind of had a guess. This has coconut and hyaluronic acid. It's vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty-free, fresh, harsh, chemical-free. Rub serum into lips throughout the day for plumping, hydrating. I don't really like feel a difference with that at all, but it says let it absorb, then follow up with lip oil. So while that's absorbing, this smell right here, this smells like, it has a hint of coconut and peppermint flavor to it. It just sucks that like my bottle is broken because my dog Lily chewed off the cap. So one time I could actually say my dog actually ate something, like you know they say the dog eats your homework. My dog ate my makeup product that I was supposed to review for a video. So there's that. Okay, so that has definitely absorbed into lips. My lips feel so soft, I'm not gonna lie. It says the next step is to use the Big Juicy Lip Oil. It says apply 1 to 2 drops of this oil, rub it with your finger, and then follow up by the lip butter. So 1 to 2 drops of this. How do you smell? This is coconut and hyaluronic acid as well. Oops. I feel like my lips look a little plumper. This is nice. It feels like having coconut oil all over my lips. Not gonna lie, my lips feel like they can just take off and slide. Oh look, you got a little messiness right here. It's actually not bad. Not bad at all. And the next step is to use the lip butter. It says apply throughout the day when your lips need nourishment. Wear this tingling balm alone or follow up with your favorite gloss. Oh, so like I put this on and then put a gloss on top. So this is the Luscious Lip Butter right here. This is another peppermint and hyaluronic acid to it. You open it up and let's take a look at you. Oh. God, can they not capture the scent of candy cane or what? That is so freaking nice. Okay, so I think my lips have absorbed the oil enough. I'm gonna take my finger, put it in here. Oh my God, okay, y'all, I have to describe the feeling of this. Feels like freaking frosting. Tastes like freaking candy cane. Oh God, that is nice. That is so nice. Okay, so put this on. That is actually so freaking nice. My lips have a beautiful, beautiful gloss shine to it, even though I'm not wearing a gloss. I'm literally just wearing a lip butter, and it tastes amazing. It tastes like peppermint. It feels, my lips feel so hydrated, but they also feel very, very, very slippery and very oily. Like, I won't lie, they do have that very, very oily, like my lips will just slide off at anything. It's not sticky, and I cannot stand any product that is super sticky. My lips stick together. This is not sticking at all. Now, will I end up putting a gloss on top of it? It just depends on how this fades. If it starts to fade and doesn't have a nice little shine to it, I probably will put a gloss on it, but I really like how this feels, and I really like this product, and it's actually not bad. My lips have my own natural shine to it. Like, this doesn't have, I think it has like a little hint of color, but in reality just mix it together, and these are like my natural lips just scrubbed through, and it looks like I'm wearing like a little bit of a pink lip gloss, and I really like that. So this is actually really not a bad deal. Like, you spend $48 to get a whole lip kit collection. You get this like cute little stinky bag right here, and you can put everything in the here, keep everything nice and safe, and then you just zip it up. I'm assuming it all goes in here. You zip it up and boom. Oh. There's that. I think I broke the bag. So maybe this bag isn't designed to have all these products inside of it, but I think I just broke the bag. Yeah, I did. Or the bag came broken. Either way, you could definitely see a tear right here in the bag. That's really nice. That's awesome, truly. I mean, look at that. Y'all do just see that so clearly. It's like either the glue or the seam just came up, but whatever, it's not that big of a deal. Like, I really wasn't gonna use much of this bag anyway, so I'd have these just honestly just sitting on my desk so they're ready to go whenever I need to use them. But yeah, that is my review on these products. I would definitely say I'm rather thoroughly surprised at how much I enjoy them so far. This is not a sponsored or PR video at all. I pay for this with my own money. You guys know that I'm not on anybody's PR list except for like Alter Ego and bling brushes as well. Other than that, I'm not on anybody's list, and even if I was, I'd still be honest because I could care less. I could buy everything with my own money. I really do like how my lips feel. I definitely would say that these are the type of products that I would keep on my makeup stand or at my nightstand. Not necessarily something that I would keep in my bag because they're very awkward shaped. Like, I can't put this in my pocket, and I could put this in my purse, but I feel like this is something that I'm gonna have on here so I can make sure my lips are nice and hydrated before I film, because I always have to sit there and put on lipsticks, take off lipsticks and stuff like that, and my lips can get really irritated. Or do this as a really big nighttime regimen, because I love having my lips hydrated before I go to bed. It's why I always keep my Vaseline lip therapy scrub on my nightstand and on here as well. I'm not wearing any sort of like lip product or lipsticks or anything like that. I always like to wear Vaseline because I like to keep my lips as hydrated as possible, because like I said, my lips do get chapped and I want to keep them nice and soft. And right now this really did a great job. I really prefer this lip scrub over the Jeffree Star lip scrub right here, just because this one is so harsh on my lips. It really dries out my lips and really hurts my lips. This was very soft. I love the taste. I love the smell. I really love the lip butter right here. I definitely think this lip butter is absolutely everything. The lip oil and the lip serum both have the same properties to them. To me, I didn't really notice a difference between the two, so I don't really know what difference is in reality, but I'm just gonna keep following this regimen. I'll do it before I film, after I film, whatever order I decide to do it, but I really do like this. I feel my lips look nice and soft, and I think it's a great product. So Erika Costell, I think you did a great job doing GLOAT, which she loves goats, and that's what her brand is goats, and I think you did such a great job with this. Yes, my bag came kind of broken. Everything else came out great, and I really do like these products. So I cannot wait to see where you go in the future. I had to support you, you're my girl, and yeah, guys, like I said, this is just a really this is just a really short video, just a nice little review of these products. I've never tried anything from TrulyBeauty before, so definitely wanted to give them a go. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos a week. Also, make sure you guys head on over to my other channel. It is Our Florida Life, where you guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures with my amazing fiance, Corey. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Oh yeah, I forgot to add this in the video. This will be in the bloopers. Forgot to add this. This bag came with like a little chain that you could attach your bag to. And it came like little chains so you can like carry the bag around, but I'm not gonna do that because my bag's broken. So lip pumping GLOAT, and I also have one in my purse because I really, really love this product. If I'm not wearing any sort of type of lip product or if I'm not wearing any sort of lip, if I'm not wearing any, excuse me, I know people might come again.